KDAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Expect some scattered showers the next few hours. There still is a low chance we could get a couple thunderstorms thrown in the mix right along the Mason-Dixon line. And then as we go into tomorrow, the winds will pick up and they'll stay up through the day tomorrow. So that's why tomorrow's an impact day, because we could get some gusts up to 45 miles per hour. That could lead to at least a low chance for some spotty power outages. Now on Wednesday, it's still going to be windy out there. It's just the winds will not be as strong as tomorrow. Outside right now, the clouds are relatively thick over Lancaster. Still dry right now in the Red Rose City, but it is warm. We're at 57 degrees and a gentle breeze out of the east-northeast. But the rain is on your doorstep, Lancaster. You can see we do have a line of some light showers moving through much of York County, northwestern portions of Lancaster County into Lebanon County. It's right along the Maryland and Pennsylvania line. During the next few hours, we could see rounds of showers and isolated embedded thunderstorms. But the threat for severe weather continues to wane. The best chance for those stronger storms will remain well off down to our south. So showers and a few thunder showers. It's still going to be warm out there. Will dry out across the entire Susquehanna Valley, I'd say by about 2 to 3 o'clock. If you're watching us north of the Turnpike, you may stay dry for the rest of the night. Now for tomorrow morning, the winds will start to pick up. May see a few isolated showers as we get closer to lunchtime, and the winds will be at their worst during the early afternoon and through the evening rush hour. It is going to be cooler with highs only right around 60 degrees, but those wind gusts could be in excess of 40 miles per hour. They could be even higher for you folks in Mifflin County and over the Laurel Highlands, where we do have a wind advisory. Winds there could be upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Now here's a look at the wind gust forecast during the next 2 days. The highest winds will be tomorrow afternoon, but it is still going to be blustery throughout Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Pollen count remains high for tomorrow. UV index will be at a moderate level, but because of that strong breeze throughout the day, the air quality will be at a good level. Made it to 70 for our high today, and so far we've only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain out at the airport. It's 61 right now for you folks in Harrisburg, still 65 in Chambersburg, but we do have a cold front working its way through Ohio and now into northern Kentucky, but it has been a rough go across much of West Virginia, where they've had strong severe thunderstorms, and the severe thunderstorm threat rather will remain off down to our south. So we do have this storm working its way to the east, isolated thunder showers and some passing rain showers during the next few hours. But by 2 o'clock, all of this moisture is off to our east, and then get ready for the winds to pick up. As this this cold front moves on by, that will allow the winds to pick up. And behind this front, we do have some upper level energy that could spark a few passing rain showers through the day. Going on Tuesday evening, the shower chances will subside, but the winds will remain strong for tomorrow night and on into Wednesday. Finally, by the time we get past sunset on Wednesday, the winds will begin to relax. Temperatures will be cooler over the next couple of days. I think the coldest day of the next 10 will be Wednesday. We're back into the upper 60s with lighter winds by the time we make it to Friday. Could see some isolated showers late Friday night. Better chances for passing showers and thunder showers will be out there on Saturday, with temperatures back into the mid 70s. As of right now, it looks like Easter Sunday is going to be dry and pleasant, and then temperatures stay warmer than average for early parts of next week.